Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE5 with 14,944 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a BRP Freedom Series trailer and trailer hitch and chrome air deflectors. From the factory, it comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, an electronic windshield, an intercom, and an onboard computer. The SPYDER RT SE5 is outfitted with impressive amenities and conveniences, offering stylish comfort on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 998cc motor, it puts 106 horsepower and 77 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed automatic transmission. With its spacious storage, instrumentation, and weather protection, the SPYDER RT SE5 was built for long days of riding. It has a 29-inch seat height and a dry weight of 929 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.